What another day of testing. It's on my desk because why not? It's a Thunderbolt 1000 freebie. Used to be a 1000 free. The T-bar as usual. I had absolutely no idea. So what I'm using for the horn again is this. I thought it was fun to use it, and now it's a steady tone of, like continuous. Let me test. Now, let's pull the T-bar. Let me use the keys. I'm now going to pull this BG12. Yes. Please make the video go viral. I forgot to say that. Yeah. Radius. And I'll fix the radius coloring, as you can see.